Hello and warming welcome to my video tutorial. In today, gonna show you how you can get free unlimited games on Evony app without paying anything.
And always hesitating, kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
Firstly, just come out to Safari on iOS or Google Chrome for Android, then type iup.vip.
Set my heart afire, my heart afire. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Still don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin.
Congratulations! Now you get unlimited games on your Evony account. But don't forget to watch and follow the final step video tutorial to unlock your resources. I hope you guys happy with this video tutorial. Have fun, guys! Good luck and I see you in the next video. Bye!